If you're working on a Google slide presentation and want to insert a table, I'm going to show you how to quickly insert tables in Google Slide. So all you have to do, guys, is really click and insert from the menu options, and then you want to go down to where it says tables. Once you hover over that, you can basically make a huge table. Just go ahead and bring it to the right or to the left to get columns and rows. So the more you bring it up and the more you bring it across is the more you can. I want to mention that there's a limit, so you can do up to 20. So you can go up to 20 columns and you can go up to 20 down. So depending on whatever you want, you can go ahead and you can make that. So let's make something pretty small. So let's do 6 by 5, or we can do 5 by 5 or something like that, right? So let's do, for example, that. Click on that and it's going to quickly insert into your diagram. Now, as you can see, that it's here, you can always go ahead and change the colors and make it a bit nice as you wish. It's really up to you how you want to do it, but that's how you can easily insert the table. And within the table, you can add basically whatever you want. So I'm gonna add some info here and here, and you can basically make your tables and customize it the way you want, right? So you can always put authors, and you can do something like that and make it the way how you really want to. It's really your choice how you want to do it, guys. So once you go, that's how you can easily go ahead and insert tables into your Google slide presentation. No, just in case you want to change, for example, the border colors and so forth, you can easily go ahead and do it. You can change it, for example, the thickness of those lines. So just go ahead and click on your table here. And once you click on it, you can go to, for example, border colors, and you can change this to whatever you want. So if you want it in this color, you can basically do that. You click away, it's there. The same goes if you want to make it thicker. So you just need to click on it. And here you have, for example, weight. Border weight, you can switch this to whatever you want, and look at that, it makes it even nicer. So that's it, guys. You can easily go ahead and you can modify whatever you want, right? You can do that for those different cells as well, so you can fill them, so you can choose and you can fill to whatever you want. As you can see, just go ahead and make those fills, and you can just basically set this to whatever you want. It's really your choice, right? So that's how you can easily go ahead and make those different changes to your table. So if you're looking for a way how to quickly insert table into your Google Slides presentation, you can easily go ahead and do so, guys. And yeah, each table or each cell is highly customizable. You can add text, you can change the font of those texts, you can center them, you can do whatever it is, right? And that's it. Very easy and very simple.